believe that academics helps inspire a sense of community in Ashland students through the growing of learning communities, the growing of students trying to work with each other, the late night studying for exams, you know, cramming with your roommate, but also the development of students into scholars that are being honored through honor societies, that you can kind of build that sense of community. I know I belong to a lot of honor societies for my undergraduate work, and I still talk to a lot of those people, and when those opportunities come up for my students, I try to help them build through that and create groups and communities through that.
Academics at Ashland University inspire students to develop their leadership skills. They learn how to inspire others by serving as officers of academic organizations on campus. They learn how to communicate clearly and effectively by serving as tutors within their disciplines. And furthermore, they learn how to think critically by completing courses within their majors as well as the core curriculum. Students who graduate from Ashland University are prepared to be leaders in their professions.
I think academics helps inspire pride with AU students through showing who they are as a student, projecting a sense of scholarship that everybody really kind of wants to achieve to here at Ashland. Having work kind of shown at conferences, the IRCA conference through the College of Arts and Sciences really helps develop that sense of scholarship, and showing your colleagues or your peers, I guess, and your other professors too, what you're able to do, what you were able to achieve. I know a lot of students want, when they're presenting at conferences, they even want to bring their family along to kind of show that this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm achieving, and this is what Ashland is. Thanks to donations to the Ashland Fund, AU can continue to offer great programs like academics.